Standard 8th, General Science, Chapter number 3, Force and Pressure. Now, the numerical examples in this chapter are to be discussed here. Numerical example number 1. The area of a bottom of a tiffin box is 0.25 meter square and weight is 50 Newton. Calculate the pressure exerted by the box on the shelf. Given area is equal to 0.25 meter square, weight of the box, that is force acting on this box, is equal to F is equal to 50 Newton. Pressure is to be calculated. Solution: according to the formula for pressure, pressure is equal to force divided by area. Therefore, P is equal to 50 Newton divided by 0.25 meter square. This 50 divided by 0.25 is equal to 200, and Newton per meter square means Pascal. Therefore, pressure exerted by the tiffin on the shelf will be 200 Pascal. The next numerical example is calculate the relative density of iron if the density of water is 10 raised to 3 kg per meter cube and the density of iron is 7.85 into 10 raised to 3 kg per meter cube. Given data, density of water is equal to 10 raised to 3 kg per meter cube. Density of iron is 7.85 into 10 raised to 3 kg per meter cube, and we are going to calculate the relative density of iron. A relative density means the density of any substance is compared with the density of water. Therefore, now solution is, according to the formula for relative density of any substance, relative density of iron is equal to density of iron divided by density of water. Now density of iron is given 7.85 into 10 raised to 3 kg per meter cube divided by density of water 10 raised to 3 kg per meter cube. This 10 raised to 3 kg per meter cube in numerator and 10 raised to 3 kg per meter cube in denominator will both be cancelled by each other. Therefore, a relative density of iron will be 7.85. Now the next, that is third numerical example, is the area of the tip of a screw is 0.5 millimeter raised to 2 and its weight is 0.5 Newton. Calculate the pressure in Pascal exerted by the screw on the wooden plank. Here given data is area of the tip, that is A is equal to 0.5 millimeter raised to 2. This millimeter raised to 2 is to be converted into meter raised to 2. If millimeter is to be converted into meter, then this value is to be divided by 1000. But here raised to 2 is there. That means we have to divide this value by 1000 into 1000. That means 1000 raised to 2. Then we will convert this into meter square. Therefore, 0.5 divided by 1000 raised to 2 into meter square. Therefore, 0.5 divided by 10 raised to 3 raised to 2 meter square. Therefore, 0.5 divided by 10 raised to 6. 10 raised to 3 raised to 2 means 3 into 2, 6. Therefore, 10 raised to 6 meter square. Therefore, now taking this value in the numerator, the sign will get changed. Therefore, 0.5 into 10 raised to minus 6 meter square. Weight of the screw, that is F, is equal to 0.5 Newton. Pressure P is to be calculated. Now solution: according to the formula for pressure, P is equal to force, that is weight of the object, divided by area. Therefore, pressure is equal to force, that is 0.5 Newton, divided by area 0.5 into 10 raised to minus 6 meter square, that is to be put here. Then pressure is equal to this 0.5 in numerator and 0.5 in denominator will both be cancelled by each other. Therefore, we will get this 10 raised to minus 6 is to be taken into the numerator. So sign will get changed. Therefore, P is equal to 10 raised to 6 Newton per meter square. That means Pascal. Thank you.